The first thing that you notice is it's beautiful. The Adriatic, the color of the Adriatic is kind of incomparable.
The site is on a small island that is part of an archipelago. You have to make arrangements to hire like a taxi boat to come to our little island.
We got off the boat with grabbing all of our luggage. Everyone was super excited to be done traveling. Basically what we did was we just immediately went for the water. It was beautiful, the sun was setting, and we knew the next day we would have to start digging.
Everybody who's heard of Roman art and archaeology knows sites like Pompeii, right? But that is a teeny tiny piece of the larger Roman world. And especially now, at this moment, archaeology as a field is looking more and more toward understanding the expansive Roman world. This is a great site for doing that because we have this microcosm of production that tells us what people valued, what they were eating and drinking.
And in one area, we found pieces of wall painting, so many different colors and patterns that someone had to study.
When we look at the fragments, we can piece together a sense of what the decoration looked like, but then bringing them back here to St. Thomas and bringing them into the lab gives us the opportunity to look at the chemical makeup of them.
We started with microphotography, so we just used one of the microscopes that had a camera attached to it to get really up-close pictures of fragments. And then we used SEM, which we got to see the topography of the fragment pieces as well as the composition in a graph.
I thought it was a really amazing interdisciplinary opportunity. At first blush, you might be like, well, what do we have to offer to each other? But they're there, right? And a project like this really shines a light on that.
I think it helps us as a student, kind of helps me think in different ways, because there's never one answer to the question you're trying to ask.
There are so many connections between past and present. So connection that gives an opportunity to really see oneself in the bigger picture.